When Sister Deepa, our principal, initially selected a group of us to be trained to use and infuse technology in our teaching last year, we were quite enthralled and fascinated by it. However, it became a necessity for us to use the introduced technology as the school year was disrupted as a result of these attacks. Sadly, this year too, we are faced with an enemy, and in this case, an unseen enemy in the form of a virus that is creating havoc once again in the school curriculum. Thankfully though, under the leadership of our principal and our academic staff comprising of individuals adaptable to any given situation, we are able to continue the curriculum without too much of a pause. The learning management system, along with the Microsoft Teams app, has provided us with the necessary platform to function through online face-to-face teaching as well as provide coursework for the students. So I could confidently say that Holy Family Convent Bambalapitiya has achieved great strides in the aspect of online teaching and learning within the present Sri Lankan school system. While hoping and praying that you stay safe, be rest assured that we at HFC are battling in our own way the pandemic situation by making certain our students are provided with an uninterrupted education till we all are back in school.
On the very first day of our Smart Class teacher training session, we were bombarded with jargon like enhanced learning experience, interactive learning experience, easy access to online resources, follows Go Green concept, time-saving technology, increased productivity, smart boards are fun. So, as teachers, we were eager to dive in and get this amazing experience as well as share it with our beloved students. I am Vidusha Gunasekara, an English teacher of Holy Family Convent, Bambalapitiya.
The world we live in today is plagued by a virus that has wreaked absolute havoc on our very existence. A good day to all of you. I'm Nicola Nanayakara from Holy Family Convent, Bambalapitiya. And life has been quite difficult to say the least, mostly because we students have missed a lot on our learning activities at school due to the lockdown. Yet I'm very happy to say that my school has taken every possible step to make sure that we engage in academic activities even though we are not allowed to physically meet our teachers and peers. The principal of Holy Family Convent Bambalapitiya, together with the academic staff, have utilized technology in a positive way to provide all students with their personal learning management system account. This method of learning has honestly been a huge success because teachers have been able to post notes and other study material on this account through which students were able to access it and carry out with their learning activities as usual. Teachers also use the Microsoft Teams app to conduct online classes and are able to interact with our students and assist us to understand the lessons better. Personally, I have attended quite a few online classes as well, and it almost felt like I was in my classroom itself. We were able to engage with our teacher as usual, and lessons were extremely interesting because my teacher used facilities like the smart board and conducted quizzes to ensure that we were following the lesson. While thanking my principal and my teachers for trying their level best and succeeding to ensure that our students receive our educational activities, I hope and pray that every single one of you are safe and secure from the virus. Thank you and God bless you.
COVID-19 මසංගතයේ හේතුවෙන් අපේ අධ්‍යාපන කටයුතු වලට විශාල බලපෑමක් එල්ල වුණා. උසස් පෙළ හදාන ශිෂ්‍යයාගේ විදිහට මම හිතුවේ අපිට අපේ සිලබස් එක වෙලාවට කවර් කරගන්න බැරි වෙයි කියලා. ඒ අපේ පාසල එවැනි කිසිම බලපෑමක් වෙන්න කටයුතු කරේ නැහැ. අපි නව තාක්ෂණික LMS, MS Teams වැනි මාර්ග ඔස්සේ අපි නිවසේ සිටියා. අපි පාසලේ ඉන්නවා වගේම අපේ අධ්‍යාපන කටයුතු කරගෙන යන්න අපේ පාසල කටයුතු කරනවා. එහිදී අපි අපේ ටීචර්ස්ලා සමග කතා කරමින් අපිට තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න අසමින් ඒවට පිළිතුරු ඒ වෙලාවෙම ලබා ගනිමින් අපේ අධ්‍යාපන කටයුතු අපි කරගෙන ගියා.
මම චමන්කා නිලින් බම්බලපිටිය ශුද්ධ පවුලේ කන්‍යාරාමේ උසස් පෙළ ජීව විද්‍යා ගුරුතුමී. හදිසියෙම කොරෝනා වසංගතයේ හේතුවෙන් පාසල් වසා දමන අවස්ථාව වන විටත් වාරයට නියමිත විෂය නිර්දේශ කොටස් ආවරණය කිරීමට මට හැකියාව ලැබුණා. ඒ වන විට මා සැලසුම් කර තිබුණේ සිසුවියන් වාර විභාගය සඳහා සූදානම් කිරීමේ අරමුණින් පුනරීක්ෂණ අභ්‍යාස සහ ආදර්ශ ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍ර සාකච්ඡා කිරීමට. වාසනාවට අප පාසල සතුව සක්‍රීය අධ්‍යයන කළමනාකරණ පද්ධතියක් නැත්නම් ලර්නින් මැනේජ්මන්ට් සිස්ටම් එකක් පැවතුණා. ඒ හරහා මේ ලැබුණු නිවාඩු කාලෙදී මගේ සියලු පුනරීක්ෂණ සැලසුම් ක්‍රියාත්මක කිරීමට මට හැකියාව ලැබුණා. ඒ වගේම ලර්නින් මැනේජ්මන්ට් සිස්ටම් එක ඇතුලේ 12 සහ 13 ශ්‍රේණි දෙක සඳහාම ජීව විද්‍යාව සඳහා සම්පූර්ණ අධ්‍යයන ඒකක ආවරණය කරමින් පාඨමාලාවක් නිර්මාණය කිරීමට මට හැකියාව ලැබුණා. ඔබට පේනවා ඇති මා මෙහි විෂය නිර්දේශය, ගුරු අත්පොත්, සම්පත් පොත්, ප්‍රායෝගික පරීක්ෂණ සඳහා අත්පොත්, පුනරීක්ෂණ අභ්‍යාස, ඒ වගේම පසුගිය වාර විභාග ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍ර, සමහර ඒකක සඳහා වීඩියෝ පට පවා මෙහි ඇතුළත් කර තිබෙනවා. මේ ඔස්සේ සිසුවියන් සොයං අධ්‍යයනයේ යෙදিলা ඔවුන් මුහුණ දෙන ගැටලු නිරාකරණය කර ගැනීමට දුරකථනයෙන්, Microsoft Teams ආධාරයෙන් හෝ WhatsApp සමාජ ජාල වෙබ් අඩවි ආධාරයෙන් මා සම්බන්ධ කර ගැනුණා. මේ වන විට මීළඟ වාරය සඳහා නියමිත විෂය නිර්දේශ කොටස් ආවරණය කිරීමට Microsoft Teams ආධාරයෙන් කාලසටහනකට අනුව සිසුවියන් සම්බන්ධ කර ගනිමින් ඉගෙන්වීම් කටයුතු සිදු කෙරෙනවා. මේ ක්‍රියාවලිය නැවත පාසල් ආරම්භ කරන දිනය තෙක් සිදු කිරීමයි අපේ බලාපොරොත්තුව. ඔබට පේනවා ඇති මෙහි 12 සහ 13 ශ්‍රේණි සඳහා වෙන වෙනම Teams තිබෙනවා. මේ ඔස්සේ අපට සිසුවියන් වෙබිනා එහෙම නැත්නම් අන්තර්ජාලය ඔස්සේ සම්බන්ධ කරගැනීමෙන් සාකච්ඡා කිරීමේ හැකියාව ලැබී තිබෙනවා.
The rather timely occurrence of the coronavirus pandemic had drastic effects all over the world. So as on-the-ground education isn't really possible right now, the academic staff of HFC has decided to kickstart online learning programs in order to empower their students and make learning possible. See, living in Sri Lanka, online learning in any form is very new to us. For all of us who weren't allowed to really bring technology into our classrooms, now this is a great opportunity. As a student sitting for the advanced level examination, I find this rather beneficial in terms of covering the syllabus and getting doubts clarified. I have to accept the fact that it's not the same as sitting in a classroom, but of course it's altogether a new experience, and it has led us to receive education in a perspective we previously didn't really know. This has also developed a new creativity which could be included in our otherwise boring lessons. I believe that this initiative would definitely prove beneficial in the development of our education system in the future.
வணக்கம், நான் ஜெசிகா திவ்யாஞ்சலி விமல்ராஜ். திருக்குடும்ப கணியர் மட பாடசாலையிலே 2020 ஆண்டு உயர்தர பரீட்சைக்கு முகம் கொடுக்க உள்ளேன். இலங்கையில் ஏற்பட்ட இந்த அசாதாரண சூழலின் காரணமாக பல மாணவர்கள் பாடசாலைக்கு சென்று தமது கல்வி நடவடிக்கைகளை தொடர முடியாத ஒரு சூழ்நிலைக்கு உள்ளாகியுள்ளனர். இந்த சூழ்நிலை இதற்கு முன்னதாக ஏற்பட்ட வேளையிலே இந்த பாடசாலையின் மூலமாக Microsoft Teams, Form, Stream, Word-ஐ பயன்படுத்தி எவ்வாறு இந்த கல்வி நடவடிக்கைகளை தொடர்வது என்ற ஒரு அறிமுகத்தை வழங்கியிருந்தார்கள். அந்த அறிமுகத்தின் படியே நாம் தற்போது இந்த கல்வி நடவடிக்கைகளை தொடர்ந்து வருகின்றோம். இந்த வருடம் உயர்தர பரீட்சைக்கு முகம் கொடுக்க உள்ள மாணவி என்ற வகையிலே இந்த பாடத்திட்டங்களை நிறைவு செய்யக்கூடியதாக காணப்படுவதோடு பரீட்சைக்கு தைரியமாக முகம் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு மனநிலையும் ஏற்பட்டு இருக்கின்றது. இதற்கு காரணம் மைக்ரோசாஃப்ட் டீமின் மூலமாக ஆசிரியர்களை நேரடியாக சந்தித்து கற்கக்கூடியதாகவும் எமக்கு ஏற்படுகின்ற சந்தேகங்களை தீர்த்துக் கொள்ளக்கூடியதாகவும் இருக்கின்றது. அவர்கள் அனுப்புகின்ற வினாக்களுக்கு விடையளித்து விடைகளை உடனடியாக பெறக்கூடியதாகவும் இருக்கின்றது. அவர்கள் ரெக்கார்ட் செய்து அனுப்புகின்றவற்றை நாங்கள் நீர் பார்வையிடக்கூடிய ஒரு வசதியும் இங்கு காணப்படுகிறது. இதற்கு காரணமாக அமைந்த எக்ஸ்டாக் நிறுவனத்திற்கும் மைக்ரோசாஃப்ட் நிறுவனத்திற்கும் எமது பாடசாலைக்கும் நன்றிகளை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். நன்றி.
මම සන්ධ්‍යා විජේසේකර උසස් පෙළ සංයුක්ත ගණිතය 9 ශ්‍රේණියේ ගණිතය සිංහල මාධ්‍ය ගුරුතුමිය. වසර 25කට ආසන්න වුණු ගුරු ජීවිතය නිසාම මගේ එදිනෙදා ජීවිතය ගෙවන්නේ කාලසටහනකට වගේ. ඇති වුණ හදිසි තත්ත්වය නිසා මේ දෛනික ජීවිතය වෙනස් වුණා. අවිනිශ්චිත අනාගතයක් පෙනෙන්න වුණා. උසස් පෙළ විභාගය අතළඟ. වසර දෙකකින් අවසන් කළ යුතු විෂය නිර්දේශය දරුවන්ට කොහොමදත් අභියෝගයක්. මේ ඇති වුණ හදිසි තත්ත්වය නිසා ගුරුවරුන් වන අපිට ඒක ලොකු අභියෝගයක් වුණා. අපේ දරුවන් වෙනුවෙන් ගුරුවරුන් විදියට මේ වෙලාවේ අපේ කාර්යභාරය ඔවුන්ගේ අධ්‍යාපනය අඩාල නොවන විදිහට ඔවුන්ව දිරිමත් කිරීම, ඔවුන්ට මඟ පෙන්වීම, මේ වෙලාවේ මට තාක්ෂණික උපදේශකයෝ වෙන්න මගේ පුතුන් දෙදෙනා. එදිනගේ සහයෝගයෙන්ුත් ධෛර්යමත් වෙලා කාලයට ගැලපෙන විදිහට වෙනස් වෙලා මට වඩා තාක්ෂණිකත්වය ඉදිරියෙන් ඉන්න මගේ පන්තියේ දරුවන්ට ගැලපෙන විදිහට නව තාක්ෂණය මගින් පාඩම් ඉදිරිපත් කරන්න මමත් පෙළඹුණා. දැන් අපි එදා නැවතුන තැන ඉඳලා LMS මගින් නොනැවතීම වැඩ කරනවා. ශිෂ්‍යාවන්ගේ ප්‍රතිචාරත් යහපත්. ඔවුන් නිතරම එයාලගේ ප්‍රශ්න ගැටලු ඉදිරිපත් කරනවා. මේ පාඩම් සකස් කරන්න ගොඩක් කාලය වැය කරන්න සිදු වුණා. ඉදිරි වසරවලදී නැවත භාවිතා කරන්න හැකි වීම මම ධනාත්මක විදියට දකිනවා. දැන් සිසු දරුවනුත් ගුරුවරුනුත් සම්බන්ධ කරන පාලම ලෙස LMS යොදා ගන්නවා. වෙනද නිමාඩු කාලවල පාසලෙන් පසුව පැවැත්වෙන පන්තිවල අපි කළ වැඩසටහන් වලින් කොටසක් ඉදිරියේදී මේ LMS මගින් කළ හැකි වේවි.
During this difficult time, it is important that we all as students acknowledge and appreciate the endless efforts that our school is bearing in order to make sure that we are all taken care of when it comes to our studies. Despite the current situation the world is facing, where we are all confined to our rooms, our education has not been compromised. With the help of a learning management system created and introduced to us by our very own teachers, we have all been able to take part in lessons like we would on any normal school day. But now we can do it in the comfort and safety of our own homes. We are all very thankful to our teachers and our school for being committed and concerned about our education even during this global pandemic.
Hi, I'm Elaine from Holy Family Convent, Banglapedia. Earth is unpredictable. Adapting to change is something which is very difficult to all of us. In the same way, the current coronavirus has affected our lives, both positive and negative. We have started to value our families and bonds more, but most of us miss working. As a teacher, I miss going to school, but then I don't miss teaching. You know why? 2 years ago, we, the teachers of HFC, got the opportunity to learn about the smart school system. At that time, we never knew how important it would be. But now, I feel the importance of it because now I have brought my class into my house and I'm doing my lessons even though the school is closed without any interruptions. And the students are also getting the maximum use from me and from the system.
I wish to state that during this challenging time, we have been able to support our students to continue with their education using online facilities. We were able to introduce this new learner management system after the Easter attack in the year 2019, and we trained as teachers and students on this new method of teaching and learning. And therefore, we are well prepared to cope up with this unexpected situation. We know that physical presence of the teacher and the student has been the traditional practice. However, today we are confronted with a novel situation where teacher and student cannot meet physically. Since we cannot change this prevailing condition, we have adjusted ourselves to the conditions, resolving our challenges creatively. Our teachers and students have been able to reap the benefit of this new way of learning and teaching, which I consider a great achievement. We have already launched this program with advanced level and O-level students, and very soon we will have online learning facility for other classes too. This new learning system encourages the child to engage in self-learning and also sharing one's knowledge in an interactive cyber environment. I am happy to say that Holy Family Convent Bambalapitiya has always been an educational institute which accepts any challenge patiently, creatively and constructively. Thank you. May God bless you.